Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve another very interesting question from algebra. Here we have x power 9 plus 1 over x power 9 equal to 18 and we have to evaluate x power 21 plus 1 over x power 21. Here x belongs to real numbers. So let's get started by considering this required expression equal to e first. Now we will consider our substitution. Let's say x cube plus 1 over x cube. Suppose this is equal to u. So this is our assumption. Now we are going to consider cubing both sides. So I will put power 3 both sides. Power 3 and RHS will have u power 3. Now we will apply a plus b whole cube formula. Let me write here formula first. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab times a plus b. Here a is x cube and b is 1 over x cube. So we can write our LHS. We'll write x cube whole cube. So I can write x power 9 plus 1 over x cube whole cube. We can write 1 over x power 9 plus 3 times x cube times 1 over x cube times x cube plus 1 over x cube, which will be equal to u, and RHS would be u cube. So here we are going to write u, x cube from numerator and denominator, it will be cancelled out. X power 9 plus 1 over x power 9, this is 18. So we can write 18 plus 3 times u equal to u cube. Now we will take all the terms to one side and we can write u cube minus 3u minus 18 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation and we are going to solve using rational root theorem and synthetic division method. So let me write here eligible factors of 18. So I can write plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 6, plus minus 9, plus minus 18. Leading coefficient is 1. So we can write here plus minus 1. Now we have to consider the ratio of constant to leading coefficient factors. In this series, if I will plug in u equal to 1, let's check whether it will satisfy our equation or not. So 1 minus 3 minus 80. No, it won't. If I will plug in u equal to negative 1, will it satisfy? So minus 1 plus 3 minus 18. No, it is not. We will put u equal to 2. So I can write here 2 cube is 8 minus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 18. Not satisfying. Now we are going to write u equal to negative 2 in this order. So we will write here minus 8 plus 6 minus 18. Again it is not satisfying equation. Now we will plug in u equal to 3. So 3 cube is 27 minus 3 times 3 is 9 minus 18. Yes, this time it is satisfying our equation. We will say u equal to 3 is our base solution. Now we can go for synthetic division method. Here we need to write all the coefficients of cubic equation. So coefficient of u cube is 1, we will write here. Coefficient of u square, it is not there, so 0. Coefficient of u, it is negative 3. Constant is minus 18. Now we will put one line over here. Leading coefficient 1 would be as it is. Now we have to multiply our base solution with leading coefficient. So 3 times 1, we will write here 3. Addition of these two numbers will give us 3. Again 3 times 3, we will write 9 here. Addition of these two will give us 6. 3 times 6 is 18. We will write 18 here. Once we will add these two, we will get 0. Now these are coefficients for quadratic equation. We will write equation u square plus 3u plus 6 equal to 0. Now one root is confirmed. It is u equal to 3, which is real also. Now we have to check from this quadratic equation whether we are going to get real solutions or not. So I will write u square plus 3u plus 6 equal to 0. Let's check discriminant only. D equal to, as per formula, b square minus 4ac. Here b is coefficient of u, which is 3. So we'll write 3 square minus 4 times. A is coefficient of u square, 1 here. C is constant, so 6. So we'll be writing 9 minus 24. So we are getting discriminant value negative 15, which is negative. We are going to get complex solutions. So I can write here, because of we are getting complex solutions, so we will cancel. This is quadratic equation. Now we will write here the accepted u value, u equal to 3. Now u was our substitution, x cube plus 1 over x cube. So I will write x cube plus 1 over x cube equal to 3. Now I will consider squaring both sides. So I will write x cube plus 1 over x cube whole square equal to 3 whole square. Now we will apply a plus b whole square formula. So we can write here a square. So x cube whole square, we will write x power 6 plus 1 over x cube whole square, we will write 1 over x power 6 plus 2 times x cube times 1 over x cube. We will get only 2. Will be equal to 9. Now we have to subtract 2 from both the sides. So plus 2 and minus 2 we will cancel. We are going to get x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6. Value will be equal to 7. Now I will consider squaring once again. So I will write x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 whole square equal to 7 whole square. Again we will apply a plus b whole square formula. We will get x power 6 whole square, x power 12 plus 1 over x power 6 whole square, 1 over x power 12 plus 2 times x power 6 times 1 over x power 6. So x power 6 from the numerator and denominator, it will be cancelled out. Only 2 will be there, equal to 7 square is 49. Again we will subtract 2 from both the sides. So plus 2 and minus 2 will be over. We will get value of x power 12 plus 1 over x power 12. Value will be equal to 47. So I will write two equations. Let me write here x power 12 plus 1 over x power 12. This is equal to 47. Our x cube plus 1 over x cube value was 3. And in the problem, equation known or given x power 9 plus 1 over x power 9 equal to 18. Now I can write x power 21 plus 1 over x power 21. This will be equal to x power 12 plus 1 over x power 12. Now we'll multiply this bracket with x power 9 plus 1 over x power 9. 12 plus 9 is 21. Now we have to take away the cross product term. So we'll write here minus of x cube plus 1 over x cube. Now we have to only plug in values to get expression E. So I will write here x power 12 plus 1 over x power 12, 47, times x power 9 plus 1 over x power 9, 18, minus x cube plus 1 over x cube, 3. Now 18 times 47 is 846. 846 minus 3. This is our required expression E. I will write here E equal to 846 minus 3, which will be equal to 843. So our final answer becomes 843. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.